What's up, Hammerheads? Welcome back to the channel. We are in the car today, and this car is a 2002 Audi A4. This is a B6 generation Audi A4, so for any of you that are familiar with this car, you know it's old, and it has a tendency to break. And one of the things recently broke, which that is the cup holder. These things have pretty sick cup holders. A lot of people complain about the cup holder, but it's this crazy mechanical cup holder that spits out of the dash, but the guts all broke in it. It holds a pop can perfectly, and 99% of the time, that's what I have going down the road. It's just a Mountain Dew can chilling there, so I want to get this thing fixed. And we went on Amazon, and we got the Amazon special cup holder. You guys probably can't really see, but there's like, here, let me hold it under the light. See this right here? There are pieces that push down in here. There's like a two-stage dealy whopper. And that first one that pushes down, that holds a pop can perfectly. So we're going to get this thing changed out today. And our first step is pulling the radio loose. Now, before we pull the radio loose, let's pull the top trim loose. This piece of trim right above the radio right here comes out pretty easily. Get a little flathead screwdriver, an interior trim tool, like a plastic trim tool, would work even better. But I found that this pops it out easily, doesn't scratch anything as long as you're careful. So let's pop this loose. You just stick it right in the sides there. Some people say that if you stick it like at the bottom right there, you can get it in there. I've had good luck putting it in the sides. So that piece out, real easy. Now, next step is getting the radio out, and this might be a tricky task. I fought with it off camera for a little while because you guys don't need to see me cuss and nearly punch a hole in my dash. But you got these 4 keys that you slide in, and then you pull the whole thing out. Well, you're supposed to be able to grab these keys and pull out on them, and it should slide the radio out, but it kind of doesn't. Now, luckily, this car's old and it has a tape player, and I stuck my hand in the tape player hole and underneath, and I was able to pop it loose. So we don't want to pull this thing out too far because we don't want to risk unhooking anything behind it. If you unhook stuff behind it, it's gonna, when you plug it back in, it's probably gonna make you enter a security code, and I don't have that security code, so we're not gonna pull that the whole way out. Now, the step to getting the cup holder out is this slides in there like that, and on top there's tabs. There's a tab there and tab there, 2 of them, and there's a little kind of clip on the bottom too, and that's why we have to, can you see that clip right there? That's why we have to pull the radio out, is because the radio, it hits on that clip. It wouldn't let it slide out. So there's 2 holes in the top. There's one to the left and one to the right. Let's give you guys a better view here. So if you look, see right there, there's a hole. And right over here, there's a hole. And if you look in there, I don't know, you guys probably can't see, but there's 2 tabs that we have to push in. There's a look at those things that you stick in the radio to pull it out. Listen, don't hate on the dirt. I'm a carpenter, and this car, whoa, this car gets dirty. So let's get this cup holder pulled out. Now, they say if you let the cup holder come out, and you get your screwdriver, I got just a little Torx screwdriver because it looked like it reached down in there nicely. Push the tab in. Okay, work it back and forth. Fart around with it. There, I got that tab. Okay, that's that one on the left. Now the one on the right. Okay. And we have exhumed our cup holder. Now, the stock cup holder is lighted. The new cup holder is not lit. So, oh well, we don't get fancy lighting. This is $70 some for a factory replacement. This is $35 on Amazon. So we're going non-lighted, unfortunately. So just push that clip, push that wire in there, and we can slide the new unit in. So, oh baby, she clipped right in, and it is very clean compared to the rest of this dirty old pig. Now, push the radio back in. Alright, make sure that thing functions before we do anything. Functions beautifully. Pull these miserable keys back out of your radio. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure the radio's in there good. Grab it, give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Put your trim back on. Grab your Baja, because Baja Blast is the Lord's soda. Throw it in your fresh cup holder. Now, you go slam gears, race Hondas, and your Bartle Skeet will stay secure. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for tagging along with us on this episode. You tell me, you think this cup holder's cool or is it stupid? I think it's pretty neat. German cars are short on cup holders, so we take what we can get. So, hey guys, like I always say, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Smash that thumbs up if you would. Drop me a comment. Tell me about the broken cup holders in your car, and we will see you in the next episode.